what you think. Change can be good, no, it don't make you weak. Someday